there's another way that I get images onto my website, and there's something that Lightroom calls published services. It's down on the bottom of the left below collections, and you can see that it comes loaded with a couple of them ready to go. You can add more of them if you want to. You see down here at the bottom I have JF Zenfolio, because my web host is Zenfolio, and this is a plugin for published services created by a guy called Jeff Friedel, I believe. And what this does is it helps me get the images up onto my website, so I can have a large number of images, and I can create a gallery. And let me switch catalogs right now. We're going to go to my regular catalog. Okay, so down at the bottom here, it opened up into my. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Okay. I have these published services right here. I have two different presets that I've created. One is for images from my travel, my fine artwork, that are very large files that I allow people to purchase a variety of different sizes. The other ones are for wedding and event clients, which are a smaller size, like my 8x12 size. And if I right-click on one, I got an image selected there. If I right-click on this, I can edit the settings, and I can create a new gallery. Let me zoom back out a little bit. I can create a new gallery. I scroll through down here, and there's a lot of scrolling. Yeah, right here I would name a new gallery, and any images from that are highlighted in that would be put into the new gallery on my website. I don't have to think about doing an export and then importing them in onto the website. Does anybody here know that you can use Lightroom to put your images on Instagram? Instagram started, and for a long time, and is greatly used by people just from their phones, just quick snaps or whatever, getting them up, and it's easy. You do it right from your phone. But for those of us who are pros and prefer to work with DSLRs, it's a pain. You sort of have to work around it, but this is an extremely good way to go. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to go show you something here also. In this little line that's partly the filter bar, sandwiched between the toolbar and the film strip, if you click on that, left click on that or right click, this line right above your film strip, you have a choice of folders that it's going to take you to, or now collections you can do. And you can make a favorite or make multiple folders favorites. So I go back to this one frequently. It's my legacy collection, everything that I did on film on Instagram. So we're gonna just do a post right here. So you install this. It's called LR Instagram, and I believe it's lrinstagram.com. And so what I do here is I go down by my metadata, and instead of the exit, I do this drop-down menu, and down at the bottom there's an LR Instagram. And you can see it uses my caption, and you can put in hashtags. And so the fast way to do this, I did a post the other day. Usually I try and get one image per day. And I did my hashtags the other day. So right now I'm going to copy most of these hashtags and select them, Command C. Okay, then I'm going to click on this image here, and I'm going to go into this hashtag thing, and I'm going to go Command V to post them, and I'm going to do a hashtag Austin, hashtag capital, and let's do hashtag sunset. And I'm going to hit enter. Okay, I'm going to slide down on the left here till I have my, see I got a lot of collections, but down the very bottom I have my published services for Instagram. I'm going to bring this into that published services. I click on that published service, and then I get here and I get this dialog. It says it's a new photo to publish. All of these have been published on Instagram. So I just click on publish, and this is going right to my Instagram account right now. And that's the way you get images from Lightroom onto Instagram real quickly. You can add more of a caption here if you want to. And I guess it's no comments because nobody's commented on it. Right down here, down below, I don't know if you can see that. There's a comment section. So the first time you go into any one of these published services, they're going to ask you for your credentials, your username and your password, and it's going to allow you to get in there. And then it's saved, and then you don't have to bother with that each time. Like you saw this time, it didn't ask me for my credentials because it knows I'm already in here. So. So what I want to do right now, we've done it. We're most of us are right-brained people, and we've been doing a lot of left-brain stuff. So I like to calm people down a little bit before we.